What is going on, guys? Welcome to another video. Today I'm going to talk about how affiliate marketing works, and I'm going to show you proof of my results. So basically, affiliate marketing means promoting other people's products, and when someone buys from our affiliate links, we can make a commission. So essentially, affiliate marketing is selling products online and earning commissions. Now, this is the product that I promote. The name is Freedom Accelerator, and this is my affiliate dashboard for this product. And as you can see in the screen, I have sent to this company 150 referrals, 647 clicks, and right now I have $135 in unpaid earnings. This company pays 40% commission. Basically, this is the high ticket product that I promote. So there is a difference between regular affiliate marketing and high ticket. High ticket means promoting products in which the price is high. For example, the price of Freedom Accelerator is $1,997. But if you want to start with affiliate marketing and start testing the waters, you can go to websites such as clickbank.com, JBSU, Share a Sale, and you can go as well to amazon.com and you can find products to promote on those websites. Now, if I click on payouts, you are going to see my latest payments. So check this out. I have been making commissions every single month by promoting Freedom Accelerator. So sometimes I make more money, sometimes I make less money. But the cool thing is that I'm making commissions every single month. And right now I have this amount in the unpaid earnings. So let me show you another example of another product that I promote. The name is Funnel Freedom. This is a software, and I have right now $38 in unpaid earnings. So this is like the same company. So the person who created Freedom Accelerator and Funnel Freedom is Jonathan Montoya. And what I like about promoting his products is that I just need to send referrals to this love ticket product. The name is 72-hour challenge. The price is only $9. And so when I send a referral to Jonathan, and if the person buys the 72-hour challenge, I can make 40% of $9. But if the same person buy the high ticket product, and if the person buy the software, which is Funnel Freedom, let me show you. This is the software, Funnel Freedom.io. I can make commissions by promoting the love ticket product, which is the 72-hour challenge. I can make commissions by promoting the high ticket product, Freedom Accelerator, and monthly recurring commissions, because all of those products are like combined together, so which is really awesome. So I don't need to send like traffic to my affiliate link of funnelfreedom.io and my affiliate link for Freedom Accelerator. I just need to send traffic to my link of the 72-hour challenge. Okay, so let's moving on. So I'm going to show you guys the sales funnel, which is basically a website that I use to collect leads, because one of the most important things that Jonathan teaches on his 72-hour challenge is that the more emails we collect, the more money we make if we can build the know, like, and trust factor with our audience. So check this out. I'm going to show you. So this is day number 1 of the 72-hour challenge. So on day number 1, Jonathan teaches affiliate marketing success stories, um, some of success stories of his students. But what I'm trying to find is that why it's so important to build the email list. So check this out: how to build an email list. So this is the strategy that I'm using to build my own email list. I'm giving away a gift. So check this out. This is the gift, and I'm giving away a free course in exchange for the email. So I send traffic to a capture page or opt-in page, and all the people who wants the free gift, if they want to get access to this gift, they need to put their information, their name, and their email address. And then I will redirect those people to my affiliate product, which is the $70 challenge. And if the person buys in the front end, I can make commissions in that step of the funnel. But more importantly, by using the capture page, I'm building my email list. And once I have that email, I can do the follow-up. I can send multiple emails, and inside of the emails, I can put my affiliate link for the $70 challenge. So let me go here because I want to show you this stat. So check this out. Understand the currency leverage an email has. So basically we can make $1 per subscriber per month. So a 1,000 email list equal $1,000 per month. A 10,000 email list equals $10,000 per month. And a 100,000 email list equals $100,000 per month. That is why it's so important, guys, to collect and build your own email list, because that is what I'm doing. So by increasing my email list, I can make more commissions. Now I want to show you the cool thing about the $70 challenge, because so when people go to day number 2, which is the automated sales system, which is essentially how to build a sales funnel. So if people go here and click on this button, so check this out here where it says get your funnel freedom trial. So what is cool is that if people buy the software, I can make monthly recurring commissions. That is why I like to promote the $70 challenge, because we can make commissions in all the steps of the funnel. And not only by promoting the software and the high ticket products. So Jonathan has as well upsells. For example, if I go to courses, you're going to see, so these are the upsells: the 1,000 TikTok followers, the proven viral shorts, and a done for you system. And if people wants to get access to these upsells, and if they buy, so if my referrals buy these upsells, I can make more commissions in all of these products. So that is why I think that it's powerful to promote the $70 challenge, and I'm making commissions. Now, going here, I'm going to go to my funnel freedom.io account, because I'm going to show you this funnel. And basically this funnel is, so this is a done for you system that basically I bought this software because it has this funnel integrated inside of the system. Because here I'm going to show you the funnel steps. So for example, so this funnel has the free course opt-in page and the bridge page. And check this out. We have here the members area model. So this is the free course that I'm giving away for free. And I didn't have to create that free course. Jonathan Montoya created the free course for his students. So what I'm doing is that I'm sending traffic to this page, and when people see this page, they will read this title, they will read this information, they will see here, hey, take the free course, and if they scroll down, they will see my picture, And when they click this button, so check this out, this is important because when they click that button, they need to write their name, their email, and if they want, their phone number. And when they click here and click get instant access, Funnel Freedom collects the information of the prospect. And the next step is that Funnel Freedom, which is this software, is going to send the free course through email. So if I click here on the members area, module number 1, you're going to see that this free course has a lot of buttons. And I'm promoting multiple products by giving away this free course. So check this out. Here we have 7 lessons. For example, the best side hustle online to quit your job, the fastest way to quit your 9-to-5 job. But more importantly, when people scroll down and they will find the videos, and if they keep scrolling down, they will find this button, join the 72-hour freedom challenge. And when people click this button, they will be clicking my affiliate link. So, and this is a really cool way to promote products because I'm giving away valuable information, and people, if they want to get access to the tools to build their own affiliate marketing business, and when they click these buttons, get reportpros.io, get traffic from Udemy, check out Freedom Accelerator, people will be clicking my affiliate links for these products, and I can make commissions by giving away this free course. Now, as you can see, this funnel has like in a lot of steps to promote multiple products. Now I'm going to show you the products that I'm promoting with this done for you system, because so let me click here on this tab where it says Funnel Freedom. Right now I'm going to show you all the products that I promote with this funnel. So I'm going to click on affiliate link settings and check this out. These are all my affiliate links for these products: the 72-hour freedom challenge, Freedom Accelerator, Legendary Marketer, Secrets of Success, System.io, Funnel Freedom. If I scroll down, Get Response. Get Response is an email marketing software, Udemy, InVideo. These are my affiliate links for these products. So basically what I'm doing here is that I have copy and pasted my affiliate links in this page because Funnel Freedom is going to start sending emails, 1 email per day. And inside of the emails, people are going to find my affiliate links for those products, which is really cool because I didn't have to write all the emails. So let me go here. I'm going to click on automation, and I'm going to show you the northern sequence. So basically this northern sequence, so here we're going to find all the emails. Okay, let me go here where it says white label course, Freedom Ascension, and check this out. As you can see, I had the number of people that had enrolled on my northern sequence. So for example, for the welcome sequence, I have 73 people. For the first 80-day northern sequence, I have 66 people, and so on and so forth. All these people are receiving this northern sequence, which are emails. So this is a really cool ways, guys, to start affiliate marketing with by using funnelfreedom.io. So this is the platform that I use to make commissions because it's simple to understand. So it has the done for you funnel, it has the lead magnet, it has as well all the products, all the emails, and I just need to copy and paste my affiliate links in the page. And then the next step that I did is that I send traffic to this funnel. And one of the best traffic strategies that I have, guys, is YouTube. Basically, I have this YouTube channel in which I'm creating content, I'm creating YouTube videos, and by creating these YouTube videos, I put the links of my funnel in the description of my videos, and some people resonate with my story and they buy from me, guys. So that is basically how I'm making these commissions. And it's important for you to know that it takes time. So this affiliate marketing business, it takes time to start getting results. When I started to promote Freedom Accelerator, I didn't make commissions right away. It took me like months to start getting commissions. What is cool though is that right now I'm making commissions every single month. $58, $872, $62, $77. And the amount of work that I do every single month it's the same. So basically this is like a snowball effect. If I can continue like the work that I'm doing every single month, I'm going to increase this number, the commissions. I'm going to increase the clicks to my affiliate links, the referrals, the customers, and the earnings. So these are the commissions. And not only for the 72-hour challenge, but as well for Funnel Freedom. Because all the people who write their information here, all these referrals, if someone put their information inside of this affiliate link, so that referral is going to go here where it says referrals, and it's going to go as well on my Funnel Freedom tab here, referrals. And that is how I'm going to have a high probability to make commissions in many products that Jonathan Montoya has created for his affiliates to promote. Now, if you have any questions, guys, let me in the comments. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Also, subscribe to my channel, click the notification bell. Talk to you soon, and God